Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to enable low data mode for Wi-Fi networks. So if you are using a Wi-Fi that is not unlimited, you can also do this to make sure your iPhone reduces background tax and doesn't update everything automatically thinking that it is unlimited you're using. So here's how to enable low data mode with Wi-Fi network. Swipe down and click and hold on your Wi-Fi. Click on Wi-Fi settings. Here, you have to select the Wi-Fi network you want to enable low data mode with. Click on it. You're going to see low data mode over here. It says low data mode helps reduce your iPhone data usage over your cellular network or specific Wi-Fi networks you select. When low data mode is turned on, automatic updates and background tasks such as photo syncing are paused. So turn this on. This way is going to help you if you don't have unlimited data bundle on your Wi-Fi network, and all automatic updates and photo syncing are paused. So that's how you turn on low data mode on a specific Wi-Fi network on iPhone. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.